Happy morning, guys. This is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from Dr.S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, in this lecture series, we are going to see the topic 2, Ethical Hacking Methodology. First, let us see what is meant by ethical hacking. Ethical hacking refers to the practice of deliberately probing computer systems, networks, or applications for security vulnerabilities. Unlike malicious hackers, ethical hackers is also called as white hat hackers, have legal authorization in order to test over as well as improve the cybersecurity measures. The first thing simply we used to call as an ethical hacking is to find and fix the vulnerabilities among the systems, networks and applications. So now let us see the methodologies among ethical hacking. First thing is reconnaissance, and then scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, finally cleaning tracks. So first let us see what is meant by reconnaissance methodology in ethical hacking. Reconnaissance is we used to simply call as an information gathering. The main objective of reconnaissance is gathering some informations as possible about the target systems. We have two different types of reconnaissance. One we used to call as an passive, as well as another thing is we used to call as an active. So passive and active reconnaissance. First, passive means we are going to collect some informations from the target system like social media, search engine. So in this way, we are collecting some informations that we used to gathering some informations that we used to call as an passive. Active reconnaissance on the spot. We are gathering some informations about something in order to secure the system as well as networks and sensitive information data transmissions. So for that purpose and all, we are using this reconnaissance methodology. Another thing is scanning and enumerations. In scanning, we have two different types of scanning: network scanning, malicious scanning. Likewise, we have some kind of scanning. So network oriented, some issues were there or not, that we are going to analyze with the help of network scanning. And in malicious scanning, suppose any system virus is affected or not, that we are going to test over, like malware attacks or else phishing attacks, links, through link some attacks will happen, right? So that and all scanning with the help of that scanning is one kind of methodology in order to identify the open port services vulnerabilities in the system. Enumeration is also one methodology among ethical hacking in order to avoid bugs, flaws in the system, networks as well as applications. Next important methodology is gaining access, exploitations. The main objective of gaining access is to exploit the vulnerabilities in order to gain unauthorized access, ethically or legally. Accessing some systems or else in software that if suppose exploit some vulnerabilities, virus will affect that particular data or particular systems. So that and all we are going to check over legally with the help of ethical hackers. Or else another important thing is maintaining access. The main objective of maintaining access methodology is to ensure continued access to the system for deeper analysis. Here we are implementing some kind of tools in order to test over the maintenance process is smoother or not. If suppose any vulnerabilities were attacked or not, that we are going to check over with the help of some tools like NISA and Nmap. So like that and all some ethical hacking tools in order to check over the security in order to prevent from cyber attacks. Another thing is covering tracks, avoiding the deductions. So it's somewhat the password generation, the password datas and all there, right? So that and all that sensitive informations and all test over in order to deduct in order to the logs in order to avoid from data breaches. They should not catch by the data breaches. So that and all, we are going to protect as well as deducting with the help of ethical hackers. Legally, we are going to authorize those informations and all secured or not. That we are going to analyze in clear way with the help of the ethical hacking methodologies. Hope you understand clearly about the ethical hacking methodologies. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.